Hey guys, have you ever thought of coming to Turkey for dental procedures but you don't know where to start? I got you. If you're coming for any procedures like dental implant, Invisalign or veneers, anything, or you just want to improve your smile for, like, if you want to have a Hollywood smile, I got you. So I'm going to show you the clinic that we work with, and I'm going to show you everything that is in the clinic. We're going to go to talk to the doctor and everything. So if that is something that concerns you, or you know someone who wants to come to Turkey for dental procedure and they don't have any information, I'll leave the contacts in this video, and I'm going to show you everything, and I'm going to explain everything that you need to know in the clinic. And if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, my name is Fatma Ahmed. I live in Istanbul, Turkey, and I show everything that you need to know here in Istanbul, whether it is fashion, and now we're venturing into medical tourism. So anything that you're looking to invest or come do in Turkey, I got you. I'll always also leave my contact. You can always contact me on WhatsApp, on Instagram, and I'll always be there to answer your questions. So for this reason, I think you should subscribe, because I'm sure you want to do anything here in Turkey. So subscribe, like this video, and share to anyone who is interested in finding out about dentistry in Turkey or cosmetic surgery in Turkey in general. So let's go to the clinic.
Before we walk into the clinic, I just wanted to show you guys around the neighborhood where the clinic is, so that you get a feel, like a sense of the place around where the clinic is situated. It's in Beylikdüzü, and it's one of the upcoming neighborhoods in Istanbul, Turkey. One of also busy neighborhoods with many expats, foreigners. So you will at least feel a sense of community if you come to this neighborhood. And there's so many restaurants, there's so many hotels, there's so many malls nearby. Even one of the biggest mall in Istanbul, the Mall of Istanbul, is not far from here. So you don't have to worry about shopping. If you want to go shopping, if you want to try new cuisines, I mean, you're going to enjoy your time as you are here for, your medical tourism. So I just wanted to show you, like, give you a feel of the neighborhood. So yeah, let's go to the clinic.
Okay guys, so this is the clinic. I will lower my voice because I feel like I'm shouting when I'm explaining, but this is the clinic. So this is the entrance. This is a reception area. When you come in, this is where you're gonna sit. This is where you will be assisted, like the reception. Then as you walk in, this is the first room that you will be taken to for, like, examination. This is where you will come and sit, and the doctor will examine you. And as you can see, oh, that's me over there. As you can see, it's very organized and very clean, so you don't have to worry about that. This is like the section where they have all their equipment and the material, everything. So this is the first room, and then once you're done with here, they will take you to another room, which is the x-ray room, where they will take your x-ray images. This is the room. Let me see if I can switch on the lights. I hope it's not dangerous. Okay, so this is the other room where they will do your x-rays, as you can see. And then I think here, this is where they observe. I'm not a doctor, but at least I can imagine what goes on here, or at least I can deduce what goes on here. And then this is the doctor's also room. When you come in, this is where they will talk to you and explain to you, and they will also, maybe this is where you also sign the agreement and everything to do if you're doing a transplant, or if you're doing, an implant, or you're doing veneers or anything like that. So this is the doctor's room. So guys, we are going upstairs now. We are going to see what's upstairs, and also we're going to talk to the doctor. Okay guys, so this is the upstairs of the clinic. So we're going to show you some of the rooms where the magic happens, where your Hollywood smile happens. So one of the room is this one. This is the surgical room. So this is where the surgery happens, and as you can see, it's very, very clean and organized. So once you're finished with downstairs for, like, checkup and talking to the doctor, if you're doing like a surgery, this is where you will come. This is where the doctor will, do all his magic. So this is where all the magic happens. As you can see, it's very organized, very clean, and very advanced. I'm just going to show you, just to give you an idea. So I'm gonna take you to the next room where they have the root canal. This is the room, and as you can see, also it's very clean, high standard, and very organized. So this is the third room where they do now the Hollywood smile. This is where they will do all the details of, you know, your perfect Hollywood smile. And you can see you also have a view from the outside. So this is how the room looks like. Again, very clean, very organized. I've been saying that word many times, but I think it is an understatement if you look at the standard of the clinic. So this is me, Ola. So this is the room. The doctor has given us an opportunity to come and film, so because he had a client, we had to wait for him to finish for us to film, because, you know, you gotta ask for permission. So hello doctor, can I interrupt you for a minute? How are you?
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you? So what's your name, and tell us what kind of services does your clinic offer?
Hello, I'm Dr. Hamid Haidarpour.
Nice.
I'm oral surgeon in this clinic. We do all practice, dental practice here about minor surgery, oral minor surgery like implantation, cosmetic dentistry, Hollywood smile, zirconia crown, orthodoncy, bleaching, and about prosthesis, fixed prosthesis and removable prosthesis. Every kind of dental practice, fortunately, done here.
Okay. So when a patient comes here and maybe they don't understand the language, do you offer like translation services? What kind of like translation do you have, like from which countries, for example?
Fortunately for translation, English no problem, Farsi no any problem, Turkish absolutely no problem. Fortunately for translation, no any problem in this clinic.
Okay, so
because we have, I know Farsi,
okay.
English, Turkish.
Right. Okay. What kind of patients come to your like clinic? From which countries?
The most.
The most, yeah, maybe the most.
Iranian people,
Okay.
Arab people,
Okay.
Afghan people.
Okay. So why should someone choose your clinic? Like, why should the patient choose this particular clinic? Like, what's the best thing that you offer for a client?
For clients, what about?
Yes.
About my practice.
Yes.
The most people wants to aesthetic dentistry or cosmetic dentistry, like Hollywood smile, like bleaching.
Okay. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you, Dr. Hamid. You can
You're
continue
welcome.
with your work.
Nice
Thank you
to
so
meet you.
much.
Thanks.
So guys, we have come to the end of the video. So if you have any questions about dental procedures or dental cosmetic surgery, I will leave the contacts. You can always ask all your questions. And as you have seen, I've shown you the clinic and I've talked to the doctor. And as you have seen, the clinic is very clean, very high end. The equipment are excellent. So you don't have to worry about that. And you also don't have to worry about translation services. For example, if you come here and you speak a different language, there's always someone who will offer to translate your needs or like your worries in the clinic. So you don't have to worry about that. You also don't have to worry about hotel transfers. If you come and you want to be transferred from the airport to the hotel, they have their services. If you don't, it is your preference. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I hope you like this video, and you're going to share this video to anyone who is interested in dental procedures here in Turkey. And you're also going to do other medical procedures, other videos for you guys, because as I've told you in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be like venture into the medical tourism industry in Turkey. So stay tuned, and for that reason you should subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video you are notified. So until next time, as always, I'll see you in my next video. Bizu bizu.